Alright guys, my neighbor has invited me to make a crispy pakora by this organic capsicum. Guys can see, so I'm going to cut it out. Crispy one. Two. And she really enjoyed yesterday, and she told me that why not I can share to the viewers, because I also tested yesterday and it is very awesome. It has a watery when you open interior part the pakoras. So guys, stay tuned and please watch till the end if you'd like to know how to make crispy pakora. Alright viewers, here I have the ingredients recipe of organic capsicum pakora. So I have already mixed it, and you have to mix in that way. So this is thick, little strong, so that it will stay put in the capsicum. So the ingredients are I have included 1 spoon of zira, cumin powder, half spoon of salt. So remember to use this spoon, and quarter spoon of black pepper, and 2 spoon of hot chili powder. I love to have a hot crispy pakora, so I have put 2 spoon of chili powder, and these are the capsicum. So I have heat up the oil, so I'm going to fry. Okay guys, I'm going to fry. I have already heat up the oil, and the flame is low. Let it fry until it turns red this way. So it's coming crispy. Even if I have not added rice flour, it's looking crispy. Alright guys, it's done. I have the pakora, cup of tea, and a sauce. So you can feel capsicum inside. I'm gonna dip here. Awesome. That's really nice. I can feel the water inside capsicum. I'm gonna try it one more. Lovely. Tea lovers, you can try it. Let's see. Guys, you need to try capsicum pakora. I hope you really guys enjoy it. Hope you guys liked it. Please to share, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to see more notification. Hope you guys have a great day.